Hello, my name is Drew, yes. I'm here to speak about loud noise, yeah? Could you stop making so much noise outside of my house? I hate the noise. I do not like when you park your truck right outside my bedroom, leave ignition on for half an hour at 6 a.m. in the morning. I not like that. Unfortunately, no, I not like that. And when I sit down to study, you feel like you have to play really loud Bollywood music outside my room. Why? It's just really frustrating when there is constantly noise right outside my bedroom. Like, I literally live right next to a uni gate. There are people driving in, fucking in and out every single day. Like, from fucking 1 a.m. in the morning, I have people coming past blasting like house music. Can you not? I'm trying to end sleep. When drunk uni kids come back from like the pubs down the street at like 2 a.m. in the morning and think it's appropriate to sing and yell, and I live at one of the gates, so like literally they're walking past my bedroom. Literally. I hate you all. Stop making so much noise, yeah, I not like it. I really don't appreciate it. So sincerely, from one uni student to another, stop making so much fucking noise. What gives people the right to fucking blast really obnoxiously loud Bollywood music right outside my house? Nothing! You have no right, yeah? Just because it is public lawn, just because it is public park, just because you probably booked it and the uni said you could do it, doesn't mean you should. When people say I cannot scull alcoholic beverage, I like bitch, but look me scull all this water. I drink so much water. I could literally fuck someone up in a water sculling competition. That is how insane I am at sculling water. Oh, and I finally got back my favourite jumper. Shout out to Corey for my favourite jumper, keeping it safe over that 3-month break. But seriously, fuck you for losing my shorts. Just kidding, I love you, goodbye.